What's up, YouTube? JDub1 coming with this unboxing today. I have from Element Vape the Aegis Legend limited edition. Pretty stoked for this. I wanted a new vape. I was rocking this right here. We've got the T-Priv 3 with the look that it has a charger when nope, in fact you have to charge this manually on a charger. So this vape to me sucks ass. We got the Valerian. I do think the Valerian was pretty good. I rocked it for a while. Element Vape, I went ahead with the mystery bag, and I got the Hannibal Nectar, and I got the Strawberry Watermelon. No disrespect to Element Vape, but I feel like they kind of, that's not really cool to send me that, which I do love Hannibal Nectar, but if I wanted that, I would have went to Vape Wild and got it. I know that juice isn't that expensive, so I'm not very impressed with the mystery bag. I didn't get anything super good like everybody else got on there, but I'll probably do a review. So let's get this bad boy open. See what we got here. I got charged batteries, so it's on. Geek Vape box, the little seal on it. Ooh. See, and I was afraid of this. This is the one that I wanted. But coming right out of the box, I want to show, I don't really like red, but I thought this was the coolest one they made. I was going to order the one with the vapor design. Just for the fact, though, this is going to rub off in less than a month. It's already, it doesn't look anything like the picture. It looks super extremely faded already. Really good feel to it, though. It feels pretty good. So I'm going to pop this open right here, and I've already got some charged up batteries, so I'll put it to work. And I'm going to have to apologize. This video is not going to be really long. I just wanted to get a quick unboxing and get a feel for it and see, you know, how it feels, how it hits. Watched one where a guy was talking about the click. Mine doesn't really do that. The one I got, it's very much a gate. So he didn't have the limited edition one. It was some dude that reviews vapes or whatever. So yeah, I didn't get that click. So we're powering on now. We're at full charge. We're at 35 watts. I like the setup. I'm going to say I like the screen. It's a little bit smaller than I was expecting. That's weird too. There's like, here's the Legend tank or whatever, limited edition. There's not really any instructions with this, but I guess too, obviously, it's pretty self-explanatory. You want to go ahead and pop this. It's almost like the Valerian. I'm kind of worried about the mesh. I'm not a big fan of the mesh that I've tried. It's not something I'm really into, because every time I've hit mesh coils, you can't chain smoke them half the time. Like, you give them a hit, you take a pull off of a mesh coil, and then you hit it again back to back. Next thing you know, you've got pretty much a burning taste. I don't like that. So we're gonna go ahead and give it a try. I guess this one's a 0.2. This is the Meshmellow, and it says 75 to 95, but it's rated 60 to 110 watts. So I guess we'll find out. I'm just gonna go ahead and prime this up real quick. I usually prime the inside, get a nice little bit of juice in there to where you're not making a mess, and then spin it around like this, because I read forums all the time about people having burnt coils, and then I read something about a guy that does his differently, and I kind of like it like this. Haters are welcome for this. My friends are welcome. Comment, tell me it's stupid, whatever. I mean, like I said, I really don't care. I've always been kind of doing my own thing. Like I said, though, if you can see, if I can get a shot on this, you do it my way, Look how you can see it's soaking that up. If you just shoot some in there and hope for the best, that's not really the way to do it. Because that way, once you do that, once you do that, then you don't have it ensured that all of the cotton is wet. So, I mean, you can see that one's soaked. This one, I'm just going to wick it from right here. And this is rushed because I have a lot of stuff to do today, and I'm trying to get them tickets for Mike Stud in Cleveland, and apparently a bunch of scalpers are buying out all the tickets, so it's a fun time. Really thankful for that. If anybody at the concert is selling scalp tickets, I'm going to tell them to kick rocks. This is the stupidest crap you could do, take advantage of people over a concert ticket. So now, instead of VIP being full, there's hardly going to be anyone there because scalpers bought all the tickets, so it is what it is. But shout out Mike Stud. We'll see you at 420. Well, I'm going to get the tank filled up, see how that reads. And yeah, it's not like this is a professional review either, by no means is it. Should have wiped that a little, but it is what it is. I'm going to turn this up to about, I guess we'll go 66. Said best 75 to 95. Let's go up to 70. I do like this little design. It's kind of different switching from a T-Priv to this, but like I said, this vape's supposed to be indestructible, waterproof, yada yada. I figured this would be the best vape of 2019 and moving forward. So it does have a pretty good quality to it so far off the first drag. Even after priming, as you see, we didn't leave it sit or anything, but it does have a little bit of harsh cotton taste, which you will get that with pretty much any vape. I'd call it an ambidextrous vape too, because it feels good in either hand. I like the design. For me, just now receiving this vape, I don't understand why the coil is reading like it is, and apparently... Okay, so the menu, I'll show you. The menu's kind of weird here. It's kind of a scroll through. Kind of a scroll through menu, but that doesn't make sense that we can't change the coil rating. I guess I gotta read up and yeah, I don't know how that changes. I'll figure it out later, but Aegis Geek Vape Legendary Limited Edition, it's gonna be like a 4.5 out of 5 for me. It's pretty good. Thanks for watching.